Is Commonwealth Bank the same as Commbank? Let's settle this debate. Hey everyone, have you ever been filling out a form and gotten stuck on the banking information section? You see a list of banks, and there's Commonwealth Bank and Commbank. You furrow your brow, maybe even mutter to yourself, is this the same bank or two different ones? Fear not, financial friends, because today we're diving deep into the world of Aussie banking and clearing up this common confusion. Is Commbank just a nickname for Commonwealth Bank, or are they separate entities entirely? Now, some of you might be thinking, come on, who wouldn't know that? But trust me, this is a question that pops up surprisingly often. Maybe you're new to Australia, or perhaps you haven't had much experience dealing with banks. Either way, let's clear the air. Breaking down the names. First, let's dissect the names themselves. Commonwealth Bank sounds official, established, maybe even a tad old-fashioned. On the other hand, Commbank is shorter, punchier, and rolls off the tongue a bit easier. It feels more modern, almost friendly. So, is there a hidden meaning behind these names? Well, Commonwealth Bank is the full, legal name of the financial institution. It was established all the way back in 1911, making it one of Australia's oldest and biggest banks. Commbank, on the other hand, is simply a branding term, a nickname that the bank itself adopted in the 1980s. Think of it like this. Imagine your parents named you Elizabeth, but everyone calls you Liz. Elizabeth is your formal name, on official documents and such, but Liz is what you go by in everyday life. That's the relationship between Commonwealth Bank and Commbank. Why the nickname? Now, you might be wondering why a giant bank like Commonwealth Bank would need a nickname. There are a few reasons. First, Commonwealth Bank is a mouthful, especially when compared to the snappier Commbank. It's simply easier to say and remember. Second, nicknames can make a brand seem more approachable, less intimidating. Commbank sounds friendly, familiar, like the bank is on your side. This rebranding strategy was particularly important in the 1980s, a time of great change in the Australian financial landscape. Commbank wanted to project a more modern image, and the shorter, more casual name helped achieve that. So, can you use either name? Absolutely. Both Commonwealth Bank and Commbank refer to the same exact institution. Whether you use the formal name on a loan application or the catchy nickname when chatting with a friend, it all goes to the same place. Both names are recognized and accepted. The takeaway. There you have it, folks. The mystery of Commonwealth Bank and Commbank is solved. It's the same bank, just with two different faces. One is official and established, the other is modern and friendly. You can use whichever name you prefer. Bonus round, fun facts about Commbank. Since we settled the name debate, let's throw in some fun facts about Commbank. Did you know they were the first bank in Australia to introduce ATMs back in 1977? That's right, no more waiting in long lines to withdraw your cash. Also, the iconic yellow Commbank logo is actually based on the wattle, Australia's national floral emblem. Pretty cool, huh? With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.